Did you know that healthcare spending in the United States reached nearly $5 trillion in 2023? As healthcare costs continue to rise, providers face growing pressure to improve efficiency, reduce claim denials, and maintain financial stability. One of the biggest factors influencing all of these goals is healthcare reimbursement. Healthcare reimbursement is the process through which providers get paid for the care they deliver. After a patient receives treatment, providers submit claims to insurance companies, Medicare and Medicaid, or other payers. Those claims are reviewed, and payment is issued based on the reimbursement model being used. The most common reimbursement model is fee-for-service. Under this approach, providers are paid separately for every service they perform, whether that's an office visit, diagnostic test, procedure, or surgery. While this model is straightforward and widely used, it has been criticized for rewarding volume rather than patient outcomes. That's why many healthcare organizations are exploring alternative options. One example is capitation. Under a capitation model, providers receive a fixed payment per patient over a set period of time, regardless of how many services that patient receives. This encourages a greater focus on preventative care, chronic disease management, and keeping patients healthy before more costly interventions become necessary. Another alternative is bundled payments. Instead of reimbursing every service separately, bundled payments provide a single payment that covers all care associated with a specific treatment or episode of care. This approach encourages better coordination among providers and can help improve efficiency while reducing unnecessary services. Then there is value-based reimbursement, one of the fastest growing payment models in healthcare today. Unlike traditional models that reward service volume, value-based care ties reimbursement to patient outcomes. Providers may be rewarded for improving patient satisfaction, reducing readmissions, and delivering high-quality care while controlling costs. No matter which reimbursement model is used, healthcare organizations must also navigate complex payer requirements, documentation standards, and billing processes. Even small coding or documentation errors can lead to denied payments or delayed claims, making effective revenue cycle management more important than ever. As healthcare continues to evolve, understanding reimbursement models is essential for improving financial performance, reducing administrative burdens, and delivering quality patient care. If you'd like to learn more about healthcare reimbursement, reach out to eTactics. And since you made it this far into the video, you might as well like it, share it, and comment down below.